I would like to welcome you for the virtual visual inspection for our school, for the upgradation of the school, Golden Bells Academy, Dhindhawali. On the behalf of our principal, I welcome you all. Now I am going to show you our school facilities. Here we have surface cleaner for the disinfectant for the surfaces. Here is a spray machine and hand sanitizer. Here we have thermal checkup for the COVID-19. Yes. There is a visitor's diary. Now I would like to show you aerial view of our school. Now I would like to show our school boundary. Here is the school boundary. We have continuous school boundary. Now we are going to another zone of our school. Let's come on. This is the garden. And boundary is continuous. This is the parking zone. This is our parking zone for the guardians and the students and school buses. Now look at the boundaries of the school. This is our the school boundary, which is continuous. Now we are going to enter in our ground, school ground, where we have lot of sports here for the students. Here our PTI sir. Look at the ground, which is well equipped. This is our track This is our track. Show the track. This is standard track for the 200 meter. इन पर हमारी सारी रेसेस कंप्लीट होती हैं, 100 मीटर, 200 मीटर, 400 मीटर. This is the sport kit, cricket kit for the students, junior level. This is the kit. Here we have cricket kit for the senior classes. Now we are going to enter on the hurdle chase. We have hurdles for the junior classes. There's hoops, javelins for the students. This is the hoop. Discus throw for the junior classes. Here we have parachute and some balls for the junior classes. We have football here for the students, for junior classes and senior classes too. Now we are going to enter in Kho-Kho court. We have Kho-Kho court here, which has standard dimension 27 into 16 meter. This is our Kho-Kho court. Now fastly we are going to enter in long jump area. Come on, fastly चलते हैं. This is our area for the long jump. This is the running zone. This is the kabaddi area. This is have a standard dimension 13 meter into 10 meter. This is the kabaddi zone. This is the landing zone, landing area for the long jump. This is used for high jump for the students. Look at this. In discus throw area, this is the proper court for the discus throw and shot put, a perfect sector for the discus throw and shot put. This is the zone. Now we are going to enter in our volleyball court, which has a perfect dimension, standard dimension 18 meter into 9 meter. This is our volleyball court. Look at this. We have perfect volleyball here for the student. Now we are going to enter in our reception room. Let's come on. Before this, I would like to show you our entry. This is the face mask का प्रयोग करें always. जब भी आप किसी से बात करें तो फेस मास्क का ज़रूर प्रयोग करें, क्योंकि कोविड का बहुत ज़्यादा केस चल रहे हैं, उसके लिए हमें देखना है। एंड सेकेंड पोस्टर इज़ हाथ ना मिलाएं, नमस्कार करें दूर से ही। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू शो यू 2 गज की दूरी बनाकर अवश्य रखें। इसी में आप लोगों की सेफ्टी है और हम सबकी भी सेफ्टी है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एंटर इन आवर रिसेप्शन रूम, रिसेप्शन हॉल। दिस इज आवर रिसेप्शन हॉल। Mr. Sumit is doing his work on reception desk. Look at our achievers of 10th class in 2019. These are the achievers of 2020. Now we are going to enter in our primary section. Now come on. This is our primary section. This is the way to reach our primary section. Look at the boards for the houses. This is the board of Ramanujan house. This is the way to reach the primary section. This is our class first in primary section. Just look at it. We have proper arrangement here, board for the students. This is the window for the proper air ventilation system and proper desk for the students. This is our class first, where students can enjoy everything. Now we are going to enter in our class second. Before this, I would like to show proper arrangement for the fire hazard system. This is our fire extinguisher, which is updated. Everything is very good and fine. And this is our class second. Look at this. Now we are going to enter in our class second. This is our class second. Proper boards for the students. Different type of charts. Look at the paintings. This is the window for the air ventilation system. Look at the sitting arrangement for the students. Proper sitting arrangement we have. For the maintaining of hygiene, we also have dustbin here. In our whole corridor, we are full of dustbins where the students used to litter in it. This is our Tagore house, the board of the Tagore house. This is class third. This is the class fourth. There is another fire extinguisher we have. which is very up to date. Now we are going to enter in our junior section. This is the way. Come on. Here we have some thoughts. This is the water fire hose. Now we are going to enter. This is our junior section. Now we are going to show you some classes in junior section. This is our class. Before this, I would like to show you CCTV camera, which is for the safety of the students. They are under the vision of the principal sir. This is our class 6th. This is a fire extinguisher. Come on. We have proper board for the students. Proper air ventilation system. Proper sitting arrangement. This is class 7. Staff room. Look at the board. Class 8th. Look at the board. Now we are going to enter in secondary section. Look at this secondary section. Now I would like to show you some classes in secondary section. This is our class 10th A. Here we have proper board for the 10th class. This is the display board. Dustbin facility. Proper air ventilation system through the windows. Proper sitting arrangement for the students. And all the charts here we have. Here we have fire extinguisher. This is the class 10th B, 10th C. This is our sports room. Now we are going to enter in our biology lab. This is our biology lab. Let's enter in the biology lab. Here we have proper charts, Hydra, Paramecium, life cycle of mosquito, life cycle of housefly, amoeba, RNA, life cycle of frog, liver fluke, DNA study. Here are some chemicals which we used in the biology lab for different experiments. Here are some test tubes. Here we have some specimens which is related to geology and some for botany like cactus, alert. These are the specimens. Here we have some charts. Charts related to plant cell, types of inflorescence. This is a chart for the flower. This is our board. We have microscope here. And the tools required to do the experiment in biology lab, some droppers, dish, etc., slides. There is another table in which we equipped with some tools. These are the prepared slides. Now I would like to show you our chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab, which is well equipped and well maintained lab. Here we have physical balance. There are some chemicals which we use in chemistry lab while doing the experiments. We have burettes, conical flask. These are the test tubes. All the stuffs relating to chemistry lab we all have here. Proper wash machines. Now look at this, another section. Here we have some all chemicals, burettes, burners, now look at the charts. These are the charts we have here. Now I would like to show some display board. This is our display board of chemistry lab. Look at this display board in which we mentioned science brains at work.
And here we have different kinds of compounds which are used in the chemistry laboratory.
These are the charts. Mr. Mendley, Professor Chandra Roy. We also have stock register for chemistry lab. This register maintains all stock of the chemistry lab. This is the board for the students. Now we are going to enter in our mathematics lab. Now I would like to show our mathematics lab. This is the way to enter in mathematics lab. This is our mathematics lab. Look at the board. Mr. Arjun Pawar sir, he is our in charge of mathematics lab. Look at the things we have here. It is the sector of angles through which a student can understand the concept of angles. Some specified shapes. These are the charts, abacus, some shapes through which a student can understand the actual shape what is. These are the some specimens through which a student can understand some shapes like rectangle, this is square, or cuboid, cuboid. Now we would like to show you our library. This is the way to enter in library. This is the sitting zone where students can issue their book and sit here to read that book. Now we are going to enter in our library. This is the way to enter in library. Here we have lot of books related to subjects for the students. Now we are going to show you some reference books regarding science stream, physics, biology, chemistry and mathematics. Here we have some books related to business studies, account, economics, management, science, some dictionaries. This is our display board for library. Here we have another section of books related to computer, drawing. Some Sanskrit book also available here. Some spiritual books. Now I would like to show you our maintenance for the library. This is some documents related to association register for library, issue register for students, issue register for teachers, and this is the newspaper register. Now I would like to show you our magazine section. This is our magazine section in which we have lot of magazine, some related to business, many more. Now I would like to show you newspaper stand for the students to read the news. Now I would like to show you our indoor games hall. Here we have all indoor games for the recreation of the students. Carom board. Even this display board regarding sports. These are the kits related to cricket. Now I will show you some hoops, some balls. Here we have some soft balls for the students of junior classes. We have Ludo here for the students. Chess board for the students. There is the carom for the students. Now I would like to show our physics lab. This is our physics lab. Let's come in. Here we have all equipments regarding physics. Drawing board. This is the transistor. Drawing board with glass slab, prism and mirror. This is Zener diode. This is the resonance apparatus. Drawing board again. Ohm's law apparatus. Here we have solenoid. This is the spring constant apparatus. This is the viscosity apparatus. Some hanging weights of 500 grams. Magnets, tuning forks, thermometers. Searle's experiment for young modulus, measuring cylinders. This is our surface tension experiment apparatus. Some hanging weights, parallelogram addition method apparatus, optical bench. This is frictional apparatus, some screw gauges, magnifying glass, vernier caliper, stopwatch, physical balance, pulleys, spherometers, multimeter, spring weight, spring balance. We also have here meter bridge with all accessories which is required in the experiment. Some ammeters, voltmeters, galvanometers, Lagrange cell and Daniell cell, along with potentiometer with their accessories, battery eliminator, resistance box, dry cell, calorimeter, rheostat. This is sonometer experiment apparatus with transformer. This is our display board. Look at the charts we have here for the better understanding of the students. We also have here physics lab stock register for the proper maintenance of the stock we have in our physics lab. Thank you. Now I would like to show our computer lab. This is the way to enter in our computer lab. We have well equipped and up to date computers here. This is our server computer. Our computers are in working condition. These computers have to learn the computer knowledge for the student. proper keyboards, proper mouse. Proper sitting arrangement for the students. Every computer in running condition. Look at the charts in which we have shortcut keys and full forms for better understanding of the students. This is our display board for computer. Input output devices for the better understanding of the students. Now I would like to show our activity room in which we have all the creativities for which is done by our students. This is the flower pot which is made by our student Lord Ganesha. Some cards, some beautiful cards which are created by students. This one is the waste from the plastic and they create the tree from that. Look at the sundial. This is the clock. Some divas which are created by our students. The whole models which are shown there, they are done by our students. This is the model for science. Look at these charts. There is a message for the society to save the girl child and bring them as a assets. Now I would like to show, this is our exam room. Here the all maintenance we have for the exams. Now I would like to show our wellness room. This is our wellness room in which if someone get injured or get tired and need some rest, we have to bring them here for the better healing process. This is our counselor room, which is properly air ventilated and the students feel very cool here. Now I would like to show our senior secondary section, which is for the upcoming classes. This is our class 11th A. This is the room for upcoming class of 11th A. We have proper furniture for them. There is another room which is vacant room for upcoming class, that is the 11th B. We also have here proper furniture. There is a board house for the Dhyanchand house board. Now I would like to show some another room for our upcoming classes. This is the room for 12th A and this is the room for 12th B. Here we have the lobby to pass on. This is the way to pass on the ground and to reach the ground. Now I would like to show our drinking water zone. This is the way to reach the drinking water zone. Look at this. बार बार हाथ धोते रहें. Due to the precaution of the corona, we have to maintain the hygiene of the students. We have the filter water here and all taps are in running condition. The soap and hand wash for the students. This is our drinking water zone. Don't waste so much water. That's why I quit the tap very soon. This is the way. Here we maintain the hygiene for the students. All flushes are sanitized with the chemicals. Here we have urinals for the boys. The cleanliness is our motto. Here we have running water tap and with the wash basin for the students and soap along with it. Yes. There is the way for the girls' toilet. Here, all the locker rooms will have their on gate. All flushes are very clean and sanitized and hygienic. There is a dustbin. Yes. And the washroom for the girls. There is a wash basin here too. There is a wash basin for the girls. Yes. Now I would like to show our principal's room. Before it, I want to show the vision and mission of our school. This is the thought of our principal sir. Now we are going to enter in our principal sir room. These are some certificates. We got runner-up trophy in district inter-school Kho championship. We also got winner trophy for the district inter-school kabaddi tournament. We got second prize trophy in maths olympiad. We got kabaddi tournament third position trophy in cluster zone. We also got state championship for the kabaddi. We got first prize in the science fair. Now I would like to show some documents. This is the copy of DEO certificate appendix 3. This is the affidavit appendix 4. Here we have fire safety certificate. Here we have building safety certificate. Here is a self-assessment A to H. First of governance, leadership and management. This is a document related to curriculum, design, planning and review. We have school life, including teaching, learning and assessment. We also have document regarding personal health and social emotional development. The document relating to safety and hygiene. This section has inclusion. This section having the documents regarding teacher development. This section has enabling resources documents. Now I would like to show some more documents. These are the documents we have. Now I would like to show our CCTV footages.